Hi everyone, this is module number 252 for the subject of strategic human resource management. And in this module, we will talk about HR software solutions used by some Pakistani companies, or other way around, some of the softwares used by Pakistani companies. This is also the last module for the subject of strategic human resource management. I have just labeled here or listed here some of the softwares which are being used by different organizations in Pakistan to support their human resource management function. So a number of companies offer a variety of HRIS, human resource information system, or human resource management system. For example, the network Hawks, Solution Dots, Time Tracks, Software Group, some others which can be seen on this list. So these are the companies actually they develop and offer the EHRM solution or EHRM package to your organization. Definitely, it is very hard to pinpoint, and it is not appropriate to say that this software is more appropriate or this software having an advantage over others. Because every software will have a different interface, and it can offer you a different type of details you may need or you may not need. For example, the basic softwares of human resource management, they are only down to the payroll system, or they generate the payroll in time, or they keep the record of finances about the employees and the organization. However, some softwares, they are very comprehensive. They have the succession planning and they have the other HR functions incorporated in those systems. So when you are asking for or when you are thinking about an EHRM software for your organization, you have to consider different contextual factors about your organization. What is the purpose of the software? What would be the uses of that software? Do you have employees who can use that software? Do you need those employees who can help or train your employees in the organization? Would that software would be managed by the outside organization, or you would be simply buying that software and that company or that organization who is developing that software will train your employees? When you are getting any course in the strategic human resource management or completing any course in the human resource management, it would be very unlikely that one can train you based on any software of human resource management. Why? Because we never know in which organization you may be working for in the future. We never know if you go and opt for your own business, which software you may buy for your organization. So for these reasons, every software is different and every software has a different interface. So it is very unlikely that during any human resource management program or any human resource management course, one can be trained for the for all the softwares that are available in the market. So what happens actually when you join an organization, and whether as a HR manager or the trainee in the HR department, so you see that and you are being trained what software is being used in that organization. You learn that interface, you learn those things, and you come or you become an expert then later on about that EHRM software in that particular organization. So if you just look at this, the human resource management, what softwares or what softwares can offer you, for example, the recruitment and selection. You might have planned that in that particular date or in that particular time, you may be starting recruitment or you may be advertising somewhere. So what would be the message? Who would be developing that? Employees would be submitting these CVs using online system, or you would be receiving the CVs through the postage. Is there any application form you have placed on the human resource management website or the carrier's website, and you can see that, okay, download this form. Now either the form would be filled using online system, or employees or the potential candidates who would like to apply for the job, they have to download those forms and fill, and then they post to you. So it depends on what software uses you are looking for, what is the purpose or what is the depth of that. So you can see here the resume, the selection, the connecting with the, if your organization is multinational, so whether you are connecting the human resource management system and it is centralized, and all the information about all employees are centralized somewhere, organization and searching and everything. So if somebody want to search in the organization, for example, you go to a university website and you want to search for the careers and you want to search for the vacancies and you want to search for vacancies in the different departments. So that's a searching utility should be present, or it is present or not present. And when somebody is searching, what options will appear, or it will suggest, or it may come up with the error 404. This is commonly you have seen when you are searching error 404. What it is, but it is beautiful anyway. So when we are talking about the human resource software or EHRM software, it is important to consider that they can be useful if they are used wisely and they are used with some purpose and with the training in hand. Thanks.